welcome. How are you all doing? Guess what we're going to be doing today? Today we are going to be taking care of our hands. I have this amazing hand mask that I use on my hands to keep my hands hydrated, fresh looking, and also free from wrinkles. If you have dry hands, if you wash your hands a lot, this remedy is good for you. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'll share the recipe with you, and I will also show you how to use it on your hands for best result. Today I'm going to be using fresh papaya, and papaya is great for your hands. It can help to soften your hands. It will also help to get rid of rough, dry hands. It contains vitamin A, which will help to smooth the wrinkles on your hands. It also contains vitamin C, which will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. Using the papaya on the skin will not only clean and clear and remove wrinkles, but it will also help your hands to look much younger than your age. So what I'm going to do with the papaya, I'm going to peel and then I'm going to chop in small pieces. For this recipe, you do not need to toss the papaya seeds. You can go ahead and use them in this recipe. And now we're going to put this to the side, and we're going to reach for our next ingredient, which is avocado. Now avocado contains electrolytes, therefore it is good for your hands. It will help to plump the hands up, reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, hydrate your hands, and also it is good for your nails. So overall it's going to make your hands look young, fresh and hydrated. So what I'm going to do with the avocado, I'm going to peel the avocado, chop it up, and then I'm going to put it in the blender along with the papaya and the papaya seeds, and then I'm going to blend. Now after blending, take a look. This is what our blended papaya and avocado look like. Very fatty, very jelly-like, and this is what you need since it contains omega-3. Now the next ingredient is coconut oil, and we're using coconut oil for its hydrating properties. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil in this recipe. Pour it in with the avocado and the papaya, and you can also choose to add this to the blender when you were blending the papaya and the avocado. And now we're going to mix, and we're going to mix well. And take a look at this, guys. This is very rich, this is very creamy, very hydrating. Now this mask is perfect for your hands, guys. However, it's good to use your face, your neck and your décolleté. This is also great to use on your entire body. So what you're gonna do, you are gonna take the papaya mixture and you're gonna rub it on your hands like I'm showing you here, basically exfoliating your hands with this. And you want to play with this, guys. This is not something that you rub on your hands and rinse off right away. You are going to be rubbing this on your hands for a good 5 minutes, just massaging your hands with this. And when you're done, you can choose to just stick it in a gloves, leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then you're going to remove and you're going to rinse off and reveal beautiful soft looking hands. Now for this particular mask, guys, you can see result instantly. Your hands will feel softer, they will look fresher, and guess what, guys, if you use this at least twice per week, you're on your way to beautiful hands. Store the leftovers in your refrigerator, and you can store this for up to about 7 to 10 days. Okay, so go ahead, give this remedy a try, guys, and guess what, when you're done with it, and if you like it a lot, come back and leave a comment.